In our last video, we have seen that India imports heavily from China. There is a big trade deficit between India and China's trade. Trade is in favor of China. Now, we have to see the trade with Canada. India has somewhat tense relationship with Canada. India says Canada supports extremism, separatism, and Canada says it is freedom of speech. There are bit tensions. Now, statements are coming from both the sides. What about the trade? Whether there is a big trade with Canada? डेटा बोलता है 2014 के बाद. डेटा स्पीक्स. दिस इज अवर वीडियो नंबर 18. कनाडा के साथ द्विपक्षीय व्यापार 2014 से पहले और बाद में. सी, इंडिया exports very small number of items to Canada: jewelry, cotton yarn, organic chemicals, coffee, spices, iron and steel articles, textiles, carpets, floor spreads, processed food, marine products, footwear, ready-made garments, rice, cereals, etc. And India imports from Canada mineral fuels, oils, distillation products, fertilizers, pulp of wood, fibrous, cellulosic material, edible vegetables, paper and paperboard, aircraft, spacecraft, pearls, precious stones, metals, coins, machinery, nuclear reactors, boilers, ores and slag, ash, small. There are small quantities of export and imports. Values are also very small. See, India exports from 2006-7 to 2021-22. Before 2014, the range was 1,000 million US dollars to 2,000 million dollars. And after 2014, the exports were from $2,000 million to $4,200 million. The major exports were after 2021. Imports from Canada, they ranged from 2,000 million US dollars to approximately 4,000 million US dollars. And after 2014, the range was $4,000 million to approximately $4,000 million. In between, it rose to $5,000 million. Very small amount. Now, percentage of total exports and imports is approximately before 2014, 0.75% of the total exports, and after 2014 is 0.9% of the total exports. Imports before 2014 it was 0.76, and after 2014 it is 0.81. It's very small, less than 1% export and import with Canada. See, trade gap. Trade gap was raised up to $1,000 billion. And in 2014, it was approximately $1,500 million. Exports were less, imports were more. But most of the exports started, the gap was in favor of India after 2021. 2021 and 2023, that's a positive. Exports were more than imports. See, trade is very less. But Canada imports men from India. Mostly the Punjabi guys, they come to Canada. For that, I have met many people here. They say that labor market information associates, they provide wrong information for higher jobs, for many jobs. They manipulate with the employers, and they show extraordinary rise in jobs, but actually they are not rise in jobs. And there is a lot of transactions for getting visas, uh, temporary visas, permanent visas, and job offers by these persons, and they charge in cash. Now, whether government of Canada ignores it, or whether government of Canada does not know it. Now, during the last 4-5 years, the labor market in Canada is in a very bad shape. Now, the person who should get 15 to 16 dollars per hour, they are working at $5 to $6 per hour, and that transactions are cash. Now, this is a deliberate attempt by a government of Canada to ignore it, or my data may be wrong, because I have talked a few persons, and I'm telling it only by talking a few persons. They tell me this is what is happening. Conditions in Canada during the last 4-5 years is very bad. It is very bad for the students, those who come here for study. Earlier, they used to earn here and paid their fees, but now it is very difficult for them to earn and pay their fees or send some money to their parents in India. So, trade is not much, but the human capital or human beings, they are being used here. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video on a new indicator. Thank you.